So what's going on, everybody? Welcome to all the new subscribers. Kind of doing a quick little video today. I'm actually re-recording this intro because I don't know what happened in the last one, but I've got the camera settings messed up, so I'm having to redo it real quick after I've already recorded all the other stuff. No big deal though. So today we actually tore the motor or transmission all the way down. Found a few small things, talked with Steve at Ant Motorsports Solutions, my buddy Joe. We all got together, kind of figured out a game plan to fix the transmission. We also are doing an unboxing. You're gonna have to watch to see that, but I got some really nice parts in today. But it's really about it, guys. Thanks to all new subscribers. Please subscribe, get other people to subscribe. We're really close to getting that giveaway going. But with that, let's get the rest of this started, and you can kind of see what's going on with the twin turbo car. So everybody, if you look, the transmission is already somewhat in pieces. I've still got some of the gear set in there that I'm going to be finishing taking out here in a minute. So far the transmission looks brand new, like it was just built like I was told. So that's a good thing. But I do still have some stuff in there just to verify and make sure. Then I've got to finish taking a few more things out and get the case clean before we keep going with it. So that's going to be the main thing, is getting it broke down all the way today, and getting the case to my work so I can put it in the parts cleaner and clean it. But if you look over here, my garage is a mess right now, but I've set tables up, and these are my mom's tables. So sorry Mom, love you, because I'm definitely getting them dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean them. But everything in it looks nice. One of the bands here, if I can get it off there. So if you look, all the material, still got plenty of material, looks brand new. I started looking at some of the steels. Oops. And all the steels still have like cross hatching in them, so I know they're almost brand new like I was told. Now I will be pulling the pump apart here in a minute, and I've got a couple other small things I'm going to do. But Steve from Ant Motorsports is going to come over. He's got a book on the 4L80, so we're going to verify all the specs and go through it. And because he's going to be rebuilding his soon, me and him are going to go through it together step by step, make sure this thing's right. But let me finish taking this apart and we'll kind of go from there. Guys, I'm not going to do a full video on how to take this apart. I'm not a transmission guy, truthfully. I'm just kind of doing this very slowly by watching other videos. There's plenty of videos online for you to watch on how to remove or disassemble, what to look for on a 4L80E. So I'm not really the guy to tell you. If it was an engine, I could do that, but transmission I'm not too knowledgeable on yet. So let's get this all the way apart and we'll see what we find inside. So guys, we're going to do an unboxing. One of the parts finally showed up. The transmission is behind me in pieces. I don't see anything too terribly. I did find one bushing that looks like it's got a little damage and very little bit of burn on a few steels, but that might be just enough for me just to order a rebuild kit and just say forget it, but we'll see. But let's unbox this. I haven't even looked at it. UPS just dropped it off, so I know what it is, or what it should be. And boom. Guys, this is a Rossler 4L80E trans brake. So I don't know if how many people have actually looked, but right now trying to find parts is absolutely miserable, and Rossler was the only one that I could actually get one from. So we're going to spend some time and get this thing in. Hopefully it does everything I need. But I also got a Moroso pan for it, because they say that you have to run this pan or a pan to do it, and then I'm assuming we'll need this for the trans brake wiring. So I'm pretty excited. This is probably one of the nicer things on the car. Supposedly, from what I was told, this is not deeper, but I don't know if I believe that. We'll have to do some measuring and figure out, because they said that this isn't actually deeper. It's just this part is longer. I'm not positive, but it is nice. But I will tell you, this pan is fairly expensive. So, but hopefully the transmission won't leak now. But now we're waiting on Steve and them to get here. Whoop, camera. We're gonna wait for Steve and them to get here. We're all gonna take a look at the transmission together and figure out as a group what we think went wrong, and start ordering parts and figure out exactly what we're gonna need. So guys, I'll get back with you here in just a little bit. So guys, here's what we found, and it's not really a lot. It's got plenty of clutch material. We got a couple burns, nothing too bad though. I mean, you got a little bit right here. I mean, it's definitely had some heat in it, there's no doubt. I mean, but we're not seeing anything major wrong. So we've all kind of sat down, me, Steve from Amped, my buddy Joe, and kind of sat and talked. And we're gonna order a rebuild kit tonight and try to rebuild this ourselves. We have books and everything, and I think we'll be okay. I mean, between three of us, all of us have built crazy stuff, and we'll figure something out. But we don't see anything really wrong. So I don't know if anything was even wrong with the trans, like I was possibly told, because I was possibly told we had some line pressure issues. We're not seeing any signs where it really should have had line pressure issues. So as of right now, guys, we're gonna order a kit probably from Jegs, try to get it here in 2 days, and possibly Sunday we will try to rebuild this. That's really it. I'm gonna start getting things cleaned, take it to work, run this through the parts washer, run some of the other stuff through the parts washer, try to get everything clean so we can start rebuilding. So I will try to film as we rebuild, but it'll probably be a very long process, so I'm not sure how long and how much it'll take. But guys, that's really about it. I would like to thank everybody all my new subscribers. Ooh, sorry. I really appreciate it. We're almost to the point of the giveaway. I think it's like 75 people or something like that. 80. No, it's not 80. 75, 70. I'm not sure. But guys, I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe. We'll have a lot more coming. We really got to get this done because LS Fest is in less than a month, and I'm already signed up to race. So we need to get it together and get it in the car and do some testing before we even think about going to LS Fest. So guys, I appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you later.